Hi friends. This is Tech Brothers. Today we want to talk about one of the most advanced smartwatches in the market, Microwear H1. Lately, the Chinese manufacturer released really interesting wearable devices. But, if you need ease in use, build quality, UI design, speed, Bluetooth connectivity, and fitness features, such as step counting, heart rate monitoring, and more, then Microwear H1, perhaps, the best option. We have first review, and hands-on. Under the video, you can find links, where to buy this smartwatch cheaper. Microwear H1 smartwatch is equipped with MediaTek MTK6572 processor, and very similar specs to brand smartwatch, Huawei Watch. It has 1.39-inch, 400 by 400 pixel resolution, and AMOLED display, 500W Wi-Fi connectivity, IP68 waterproof rating, and support for GSM, 4 frequency call, and 3 grams internet. As you can see, it is really powerful smartwatch, so you don't have problems with performance. By the way, Microwear H1 is also customizable. You can change the strap from 2 different options, one made of steel, and the other in TPU material. If we talk about function, then you can use smartwatch as your health assistant. It provides all needed stats. It can monitor your heart rate, sleeping quality, and there are many modes of different activities, such as walking, running outdoors, indoor running, climbing, cross-country running, half-horse, and horse riding. Microwear H1 allows you to analyze each sport's data and help you improve in them. In addition, the smartwatch has built-in GPS. However, it can be disabled if you don't need it. Microwear H1 also comes with some handy outdoors tools, such as compass, barometer, altimeter, weather forecast, GPS navigation, and more. So, you should never be afraid of getting lost, in theory. The watch also offers more than 40 built-in dial, and supports wireless updates, which will allow you to easily update it. Another outstanding feature of Microwear H1 is waterproof rating, IP68. It allows you to use smartwatch without worrying of getting it wet when washing hands, bathing, getting wet in the rain, bathing, swimming. You can even submerge the smartwatch in deeper water, and it will not be damaged. Other interesting photos of smartwatch are 2-megapixel camera, and application for smartphone, called Thunderwear. Also we should say about battery, because it is one of the most important part for smartwatch. Microwear H1 comes with 360 mAh battery. It is charged by magnetic connector. The full charging takes about 70 minutes. The manufacturer says that battery life of smartwatch is about 2 working days. As you can see, Microwear H1 is one of the most advanced smartwatch in the market. It has beautiful design, build quality, and sports features. Now, the price of smartwatch is about $80. Moreover, you can buy it even cheaper. Details about it in description under the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.